Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to play Bowser in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Start by learning his command grab, then focus on his aerial drift and spacing. Practice using down tilt to set combos and forward smash to finish stocks. Mix up ledge options and shield pressure to keep opponents guessing. Stay patient, bait approaches, and punish with big reads to win matches consistently. Bowser's neutral rewards strong spacing and slow commitment played smartly. Use grounded moves like forward tilt and down tilt to interrupt rushes, and keep fire breath ready to force shields. Approach with wave dash or pivoted tilts to bait counters, then punish with his command grab or rapid aerials. Maintain stage center as much as possible to pressure recovery, and be ready to trade when you need to secure a kill. Work on simple confirms like down tilt into up tilt or into a grab for reliable damage. Bowser's aerials, especially U-air and dare, help extend combos and set up for a stage edge or forward smash kill. Remember, his weight lets him survive swaps, so go for reads at higher percent rather than shaky strings. Practice kill timing offstage and onstage punishes to convert advantage into stocks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.